your Patagonia down jacket properly is crucial for maintaining its warmth, loft, and overall performance, extending its lifespan significantly. Avoid harsh chemicals and methods that can damage the delicate down insulation. First, always consult the care label inside your specific Patagonia jacket, as instructions can vary slightly. Before washing, ensure all pockets are empty, zip up all zippers, and turn the jacket inside out. This protects the outer fabric and zipper teeth during the wash cycle. For washing, never use a top-loader washing machine with an agitator, as it can severely damage the down and baffles. A front-loading washing machine is essential for a gentle wash. When it comes to detergent, this is a critical step. You must use a down-specific cleaner. Brands like Nikwax Down Wash Direct or Granger's Down Wash are excellent choices. Absolutely avoid regular laundry detergents, fabric softeners, bleach, or any harsh chemicals, as these can strip the natural oils from the down, causing it to clump, lose its loft, and diminish its insulating properties. Select a delicate or gentle cycle on your front loader, using cold water. To ensure all soap residue is completely rinsed out, which is vital for preventing clumping, run the jacket through at least 2, preferably 3, extra rinse cycles. Residual soap can weigh down the feathers and prevent them from lofting properly. The drying process is arguably the most important and time-consuming part of cleaning a down jacket. Carefully remove the wet jacket from the washer, supporting its weight to prevent stretching or tearing. Transfer it immediately to a large tumble dryer. Set the dryer to a low heat or air-fluff setting. Here's the trick to restoring that fluffy loft: add 3 to 5 clean tennis balls or dedicated dryer balls to the dryer with the jacket. These balls will gently agitate and break up the wet down clumps, helping to redistribute the feathers evenly and restore the jacket's original puffiness. Be prepared for this to take several hours, typically 2 to 4 hours or even longer, depending on the jacket's thickness and the dryer's efficiency. It's crucial to check the jacket frequently, every 15 to 20 minutes, removing it to manually fluff and break up any remaining clumps by hand. This ensures even drying and prevents localized overheating. The jacket must be completely, thoroughly dry before storing it. Any residual moisture can lead to mildew, odor, and permanent damage to the down. You'll know it's dry when it feels light, fluffy, and there are absolutely no cold, damp spots or clumps of down detectable. Once fully dry, give it a final shake and hang it loosely in a breathable space, avoiding compression. For small, isolated stains, spot cleaning can be done with a damp cloth and a tiny amount of down-specific cleaner, gently rubbing the affected area. However, for overall grime, a full wash is best. Remember, patience is key throughout this entire process to ensure your Patagonia down jacket remains a warm, reliable companion for years to come. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more outdoor gear tips.